From A Bard's Life, Tom Naviri, for Dr. Cuthbert Graham. Hech upon Meerlin gerst they lie, a linked shine of fighting steens, aye biding at a shifting sky, weird as a boudichy of beans. The bluebells ring the gersy peal, the next a dirl wi' whap and gull, laird on the seely braes are cool, the castle wa, a sightless skull, stands open, knackit to the wind, the clash o' day drops till a lull. The yalla ragwort throws the wind, rig woody davins, dreich and dull. Where sunlight slips ahin the east, stands Morven, lichted like a low, our gentle Galen, meanless reest, the chill o' gloamin, queels the how. I've seen the mist on Haley wreath, ging jinkin Tom Naviri roon, Fleerichin Eildrich o'er the heath, a whiff o' wicked fae the tomb. Fin hoodies howl and hoolets main, let them step lightly there fa me. I'd leave yon sleepers weel alane, an yearly folk o' yesterday.